So today I'm gonna share a couple of AI agent I built for Apollo Performing Arts and Academy. The first one we're gonna check it is external for customer. Actually, this is a voice agent. So um, for this, I should be able to ask question, uh, and then AI agent should be able to answer back in voice. So, however, in testing mode, I'm not able to test with the voice, so I have to use text with that. So I'm going to use some of the question that customer may ask, and then see what the agent does. So the first question answered correctly. Second question answered correctly, but it gave me this warning right here because I created a topic for this particular answer. So I'll see how I can remove that, but I should be able to remove that warning message. So I'm testing with more questions. Okay, so that also answered correctly. And this is also warning sign because it was created by the topic. Uh, Another question. So you see, it looks at all the knowledge source and then answer the question. So there is no specific. There is a thing about scholarship, but there is no specifically financial aid. So it didn't uh, answer the question correctly. So I would have to fix it with the topic. So let's keep going with the other question. Cancellation policy. Okay, so it goes through the knowledge base and does that. So it does provide answer for the cancellation policy, and then so this is actually not a question. So let's see how the agent responds to this thing right here. This is not a question. You just say I want to sign up my son for a drum lesson. Okay, so this is they're not answering that because it's stated in the. So let's rephrase that. So let's put that as a question mark. Let's see what the agent does. Okay. So testing is important because uh, so so you have to test with all scenario uh, so that the agent can answer the question. Um, so I'm testing with different answers. So some of this didn't work. Um, so it doesn't have a. So I have to do something about the drum lesson also. So that question didn't answer the drum lesson question. And then so let's talk about location. Ask them about location. So location also went through the topic instead of the knowledge base, so it gives you the correct information about the location. Um, see this question about HDSD. So this is the last one we're going to do for this video. Okay, so that information not available. So we have to look into that. Why that information not available? But maybe we haven't put that into our knowledge base. So some of the things we have to test it, and if it's not in our knowledge base, we have to update the knowledge base or do from the topic. Uh, so those things, all the thing needs to be updated before you go and publish it in the live environment. So there's a software development life cycle. This is the agent development life cycle. So you build the agents, you test the agent, you rebuild again, and then you test it again, and then finally you go live. So that's the life cycle of the building agent. So that is the external agent, like for the customer. But let's test the internal agent questions. Uh, so this is for the internal admin of the Apollo performing to ask, so what instrument does student Liam Jones play and who is his teacher? So if you ask that, it goes into student database file right there. Uh, okay, so not sure why he didn't read that. Why he didn't read that. Let's see if I can add knowledge space on a different format. So that was in a PDF format. So if I can add a knowledge source. Um, well, I won't be able to pull up from a Google Doc from there, from the local space. So probably have to create uh, Excel file and then upload the Excel file from the student database. So I'm going to download it in the Microsoft Excel and then upload it. See if they'll let me upload it into the. So just download that. So student database is here. So now I'm going to save this student database in the Apollo Performing Arts and Academy folder in the Microsoft folder. Okay, I'm just going to save it here and then pick it up from there. Okay, now I'm going to. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the students file. Students, so database is there. And then now I'm going to upload it. Add to the agent. So it'll take a while for this to be uploaded into the system. Okay, so that right here, XLS is status is pending in progress. So it's going to take a few minutes to process that. So while we do that, uh, let's take a look at the agent. So what can we do with the agent? So the Microsoft Copilot Studio already has a template, and then these templates such as website Q&A, voice agent. So that's the one I just built, voice agent, safe travels, financial insights, benefits, citizen services, IT help desk, sustainability insight, weather, and so on and so forth. So these are pre-built template you can use. Uh, and then also on the knowledge base, you can connect and add various platform to make your agent powerful, knowing a lot of information and be able to pull that, extract that with all the tools and technology that is available with the Microsoft Copilot Studio. So we already have three different data source, uh, and then so let's see what else is out there. So inside the studio, there's a public website you can add. I already added the URL for that. You can also connect with the SharePoint, Azure AI Search, Dataverse, Dynamic 365, Salesforce, Now Service, SQL. An advanced tab, there is a Snowflake, Databricks, Confluence, Oracle Database, SAP OData, Zendesk, Azure Database. So you can connect with all this data source to make your agent powerful, knowing so that your agent can do a lot more than what you expect. So let's do the check the knowledge source for that. See if that is uploaded into our Microsoft Copilot Studio system. Okay, sometimes it takes time to process that. I think this is in their servers, not our server. It's a Microsoft .com Copilot server. So sometimes it might be busy. So it took a while to process that, and it's in progress. So uh, I won't be able to check the database, so I'll have to do a separate video of how to do the how to extract data from the student's database or any database file. So